Are you looking for the formula to merge cells in Excel? Then keep watching. In Excel, you can use formula to combine text for multiple cells into one. If you want to keep the data from multiple cells but display it together in a new cell, that is the simplest way to join cells. So you need to put the n equal sign and select the first cells and space bar and use the ampersand and space and select the second cells which you want to join and click enter. And here you can see that the both cells A and B has been joined. So if you want to use the formula with the space, then put the equal signs and select the first cell space, put the ampersand space, double quote, space, double quote, space, and again put the ampersand space and give the second cell's reference and hit enter. And here you can see that the both A and B cell have combined with a space. So another way is the concat function. It is better for joining multiple cells or ranges. For example, the equal sign, type concat, open the bracket, select the first cell, comma, space, select the second cell, comma, space, and third cell, and close the bracket and hit enter. And here you can see that you have joined multiple cells. You can also use this formula with a range. For example, put the equal sign, type concat and open the bracket and select the range and close the bracket, hit enter. And this is what you can see that. So there is another text join function which is the most flexible option. It automatically adds a separator like a comma and can ignore any empty cells. So use this formula. So put the equal sign, type text, join and open the bracket, double quote, comma, space, double quote, comma, space, type true to ignore empty cells, comma, space, and give the range. For example, here is the range, close the bracket, hit enter. And here you can see that a comma has been added and also he had ignored the empty cell. So these are the formulas to merge cells in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.